This video I am trying to solve a 3 polynomials math which is very important for examination. Let's get started. Question 19. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. This one we can write x cube plus 2x square plus x square. 2x square plus x square, it will be 3x square, right? Same thing here, we can write 2x plus x plus 2. Now we can take common x square, so it will be x plus 2 plus take common x plus 2 plus 1 x plus 2. Finally here is a x plus 2 and then x square plus x plus 1, right? And this is our answer. Question 20. Here is a cube minus 6a square plus 12a minus 9. This one, how can we simplify? A cube, a square, a, and here is something. So if we consider this one like a minus b whole cube, we can write a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So same thing we can write in here. First a cube, it's a cube, then minus minus, then 3a square, and then b. So here is, we can write 2 because 3 times 2 is a 6. So minus 3a square plus 3ab, a and then b square. So 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 is a 12. And then minus b cube, 2 cube. So minus 2 cube means minus 8. So we can write also minus 1. So now this whole thing will be a minus b whole cube. It means a minus 2 whole cube minus, here is a 1, we can write 1 cube, right? Now we can write what? We can also write the formula of a cube minus b cube. What is that? A cube minus b cube, we know a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this one, same thing, a minus b, it means a minus 2, it's a, then minus b minus 1, right? Now a square, it means a minus 2 square plus a minus 2 times 1 plus b square. B square means 1 square. Now a minus 2 minus 1, it's a minus 3. Now it will be a square minus 2ab, 2 times a times 2 plus b square, it means 2 square, and here is a plus what? A minus 2, and then plus 1, right? So finally we can write a minus 3, then here is a square, here is a minus 4a plus 4 plus a minus 2 plus 1. And finally, we can write a minus 3 and then a square. Look, here is minus 4a and here is a plus a. It means minus 3a. Here is plus 4. Here is plus 1. It means plus 5. 5 minus 2, it's a plus 3. Right? And this is our answer. Very important math, this one. I hope you clear this. Question 21. A cube minus 9b cube plus a plus b whole cube. So this expression, first, this is a cube, b cube, a plus b whole cube. So first we have to simplify this one. Like a cube minus b cube we can write, then plus a plus b whole cube minus 8b cube we can write, because minus b cube minus 8b cube, it will be minus 9b cube. Next, as per law, we can write a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? And this one we can write a plus b whole cube minus 8b cube, we can write 2b cube. Okay. Next, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, plus this one also we can consider a cube minus b cube. So we can write a plus b minus 2b, and a square means here is a plus b whole square, then plus ab means a plus b times 2b, plus b square means 2b square, right? Next, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and then a minus b, because plus b minus 2b is a minus b. Then here is, we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, then plus again 2ab plus 2b square, and then 4b square. Now a minus b we can take common. So what we will get? Here is a square plus ab plus b square. Here is also a square plus, this is 2ab, it will be 4ab, right? Plus here is b square, 2b square plus 4b square, it means 7b square. We can write here is a 7b square. Finally, we can write a minus b and then a square. A square, it's not a square actually, it's a 2a square. A square and a square, 2a square, plus here is a 4ab and ab, it will be 5ab, plus b square and 7b square, it will be 8b square. And this is our answer. This video I am trying to solve 3 math based on polynomials 19, 20 and 21. Last video we have completed 18. So we will continue to do something. So please keep your attention of this video. Thank you.